Heather the Baker. Today I'm making cinnamon rolls, my great grandma's cinnamon rolls. I just got the recipe from my Aunt Betty a few days ago. I'm super excited to see how they turn out. I've never made these before, these specific ones. The secret ingredient that my Aunt Betty said is her absolute favorite is nutmeg in the dough. Now I have another recipe passed down from my great grandma that also has nutmeg, so I know that it is tasty and I'm interested to see how these turn out. So let's get started. Now, if you saw my last video, I made ginger cookies. They were my great grandma's recipe as well. You want to watch that video, you can learn a little bit more about her. You can also read about her life in my blog. The link is below. Okay, it is the best part of baking right now. It is time to taste test. We've got our cinnamon roll, handy dandy fork. Might have already had a bite, maybe. But these are my great grandma's cinnamon rolls. They baked up beautifully. So let's give it an official taste. Now that is really, really good. The dough is soft and tender. The cinnamon and sugar are the star. I love cream cheese frosting. Some people put other kind of frosting on here, but I just feel like you have to have cream cheese. That is a great cinnamon roll. And I still have the caramel rolls to taste. I highly recommend that you give this recipe a try. You can read all about it on my blog. The link is below. And comment in the section. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you like it. Hope you have a wonderful day and happy baking.